Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the you are using pro features messages in CapCut 2025 so you can export your video without any issue. If you are seeing this message, it means your project includes tools, effects or assets that are part of CapCut Pro. Let's fix it step by step. So CapCut has both free and pro features. uh, if you use a pro effect, filter or templates without a subscription, you will see that you are using pro features warning when exporting. To fix it, you either need to remove the pro features or subscribe to CapCut Pro. So here's how open your project and check all your clips, effect, stickers and text animation. Anything marked with diamond icon is a pro features. Here you can see this. Here is the diamond icon and this is the pro features. If you don't want to pay for pro, select the clip or effect with the diamond icon and delete it or replace it with free alternatives. Then CapCut offers plenty of free filters, transitions and music you can use instead. If you want to keep the pro features, tap the pro features close unlock with CapCut Pro and select a monthly or yearly plan and complete the payment via App Store or Google Pay. Your project will now export without the warning. After removing or unlocking pro features, preview the whole video, make sure no diamond icon remain and tap export. The warning should be gone. If you are editing or on both PC and mobile, make sure you are logged in with the same CapCut account so your pro subscription or edit sync across device. And that's it. That's how you fix the you are using pro features missing messages in CapCut 2025. If this helped and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels.